I miss A Soma. Welcome back. I know I should upload the verb pitch accent part 4 now, but I found a really important thing that I need to explain after I watched the video on いる and いる. In that video, I introduced the list of verbs which has the definition of verbs. Please watch it now. It says 知る to know. This is somehow right. Google says the same. Dictionaries say the same. But if you memorize 知る to know, you might translate the following sentence that way. I know that. 私はそれを知る. This is wrong. 私はそれを知っている is right. So you might think that what is this ている? ている is made by て plus いる. て means then. いる means to stay, to keep, to be, to live. This is the same verb that I explained in the last video. いる to stay. So verb plus ている means to do some verbs action and then stay in the situation that the result of the action. More naturally say do some action and then keep that action. That's why in many textbooks ている is explained in the following way. Verb plus ている means present progressive equal ing form. This definition is good, but it cannot cover all cases. While editing this video, I found that I need to explain how we should change verbs forms and about the sound changing system called Onbin. Here's the explanation. This te and ta, both of them are really important verb helpers. Ta and te have two pegs. You should change the vowel u into i and then put ta and te. So here 知る turns to 知りている. But we have the sound changing system called Onbin, like that. 五段活用 verbs, so you call verbs end in つる plus て change つて買う plus て買いて買って待つ plus て待ちて待って帰る plus て帰りて帰って You can see the original version, I mean 買いて待ちて帰りて in Japanese old novels or old style anime. Verbs ending ぬ む ぶ plus て makes んで死ぬ plus て turns to 死にて and then 死んで読む plus て読みて読んで呼ぶ plus て呼びて呼んでverbs ending くぐ plus て来て turns to いてぎて turns to いで書く plus て書きて書いて急ぐ plus て急ぎて急いで So here 知る turns to 知っている That definition is somehow right. Somehow. Like in the following case. I am eating ramen. 私はラーメンを食べている。私はラーメンを食べている。You eat ramen and then keep eating ramen. So, I am eating ramen is right. 私はギターを弾いている。Once I played the guitar and then keep playing the guitar. So, 私はギターを弾いている。I'm playing the guitar. Anyway, about pitch accent. Youngers say 私はギターを弾いている。Olders say 私はギターを弾いている。In those cases, this definition works good. So, how should we understand in these following cases? The bus is stopping and バスが止まっている。He is dying and 彼は死んでいる。Are they safe? The bus is stopping means that the bus is about to stop, so it still is moving, right? Right? But バスが止まっている means the bus stopped and keeps stopping. It doesn't move. So it's just the bus is there. For example, when you are late for the bus for school and you found the bus is still at the station, you say, "Ah, バス止まってる! ラッキー!" 止まってる is casual way of saying 止まっている. Actually, most Japanese people say てる instead of ている. So how about 死んでいる? He is dying means that he is about to die, so he is still alive, right? But 彼は死んでいる means that he died and then keep dying. So it means he has already died or just he's dead. So I recommend thinking of ている as meaning to do some action and keep that action. But still, we can't clearly understand why we should use ている in this case. I know that. 私はそれを知っている. Some Japanese verbs have slight but fundamental differences from their English ones. See these examples. 起きる to get up. 起きている to be awake. 寝る to go to bed. 寝ている to be asleep. 立つ to stand up. 立っている to stand. 座る to sit down. 座っている to sit. Most textbooks and even dictionaries and Google say 立つ to stand, 座る to sit. But actually they are not perfect translations. 立つ is an action verb. It just describes the moment you are in the motion of standing up. あらよ、立つ、座る. By the way, 知る This is also an action verb. It says the moment when you get to know something. For example, please imagine two girls here and a good-looking guy is walking in front of them. あの人超かっこいい。はあ、私は彼を知る。This is really, really weird. We cannot understand what she meant. どういう意味？私は彼を知る。何それ予言？予言？ If she wants to say, I know him, she have to say, 私彼知ってる。やだ、紹介してや。私は彼を知っている。I got to know him, then keep knowing him. So, I know him. Maybe in some cases, 知る should be translated as to learn or to get to know. 私は昨日、プリビエットがロシア語だと知った。I've learned Privyet as Russian word yesterday. So that's all for today.
I hope you understand this ている。Next video is verb conjugations part 4。なるべく早く作ります。ありがとうございました。お疲れ様でした。See you!